is Terry. I am a 청담 student. Today I will be talking about my most embarrassing vacation. Do you think what is a vacation? I think vacation is healing my feel. For example, go to beach, go to another place. I think best vacation is France. Because France have big Eiffel Tower and I like big tower. So I think this is my best vacation. I think worst vacation is Canada because Canada is very cold, so my worst vacation is Canada. Give an example, I see TV people going, but too cold car is not working. Korea people go Canada, say Canada is very cold, so my worst vacation is Canada. I like tower, but Canada not have big tower, and I think not have good view because it is very many snow. My worst vacation is Canada. My best vacation is France because France have big Eiffel Tower. It's a TV going Eiffel Tower when I said the Eiffel Tower was very pretty and I was surprised because it was so big. I like pretty tower. So as the Eiffel Tower, that was very pretty as well were the cloud. Therefore, the Eiffel Tower is very good. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Go have a good vacation.